In front of me is LG K62+, and let me show you how to add a fingerprint on this device. So first of all, just open the settings, then find and select lock screen and security, and then mark fingerprints. And if you would like to unlock your phone with fingerprint, click on next. But at first you need to set up some backup. It can be pattern, PIN code or password. Let me choose pattern. And it can be a letter, so just provide your backup pattern, tap on next, and then re-enter it just to confirm. Tap on confirm then. And now just select the notification setup. So for example, you can see all notification content, you can hide sensitive ones or hide all. And this is what I will choose. Tap on apply then. And now just enter your fingerprint. Here you've got the sensor, so smoothly tap on it. And keep tapping until it is fully added. Lift and place your size of fingerprint, and this is it. As you can see, from now on you can unlock your phone with your fingerprint. Tap on OK then, and that's it. So as you can see, from now on you will be able to unlock your device either with this backup pattern, smoothly enter it to unlock, or you can use your fingerprint that has been just added. So just like this you can unlock your phone. And that would be all. This is how you can add fingerprint, how you can use it. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.